Welcome. In front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I actually get started, I'm going to quickly mention a couple important things. So number one, this will remove screen locks. So if you have one that you just don't know, you can get rid of it this way. You will also get rid of everything else on the device, like your photos, music, videos, documents, and so on, whatever is being stored locally on the phone. And number three would be that if you are also logged into a Google account, which probably almost all of you are, the device will become FRP locked. And what that means is once the reset is finished and you're going through the setup, you'll need to verify one of the things. So one would be either PIN, pattern, password, or the other option is the Google account. So assuming you don't know your pattern or screen lock in general, that leaves you with only your account. And if you don't know that, you normally would be kind of screwed. But luckily, I will be recording also another video on how you can bypass that, just completely get rid of it as well. But that will be in the next video. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. So I'm gonna progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. And all we need to do is turn off our device. So hold power key, select power off. And once the phone turns off, oh, come on. So apparently Motorola decided to take a page out of Samsung, which is absolutely annoying and useless because it's telling us to put in a pattern to turn off our device. Now let's see if a reboot works or restart. Okay, so that does not. So instead of turning it off normally, I'm going to show a middle finger to Motorola and do it by holding volume down and power key, which is basically like pressing a restart button on your computer. So we're going to hold both of those keys. Once the screen turns off, you want to then switch to volume up. Now I point that out once the screen turns off is because you want to interact with the screen, otherwise it will time out and just kind of like go to sleep instead of reboot before the two buttons actually tick. So anyway, power, volume down. There we go, turned off. Looks like we need to let go of the power key, or it's actually volume down as well. Yep, so it's volume down. So I'm gonna just start holding that right away. There we go. So that's what we wanted to do. So we hold volume down and power key, phone turns off, and I did release it. I don't know if that actually will matter. If you don't get this many, it means that you just need to let go of and hold them again, and this will boot you into the bootloader. From here, using volume keys, you want to select recovery mode right here, confirm it with power key. Now next thing we'll probably have, Android with no command, so hold power, press volume up, and this will take us to recovery mode. And here, again using volume keys, you want to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power key, select factory data reset the same way. As you can see, formatting data. Next thing we'll see is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, and all we will need to do is press power button once again. There we go. As you can see, selected. Now, once you confirm the reboot, this will continue the reset in the background, so it might take the device a tiny bit longer to boot back up, so just be patient. Once it's finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, there we are. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.